Coming to fourth part, 20.1 multiply 4. 20.1, convert it into fractions and multiply by 4. So multiply 201 by 4, 40, and 4 2s are 8. Answer is 804 here, and 8 divide by 10. So write it, convert again, because our question is in decimal numbers, decimal form. So we are to write our answer is also in decimal form. Convert it into decimals. Write 4 here. There should be one digit because there is 1 0 in denominator. One digit after the decimal point, 8 and 0. Coming to fifth part, 0.05 multiply by 7. 0, write it in fractional form, fractions form. So 5 divided by, there are two digits after decimal point, so it will be 5 divided by 0 multiply 7. Now 5 7 ja 35 divided by 100, and again convert this into decimal form. 0 1 2, there are two zeros, so there should be 1 1 2, two digits after the decimal point. Here will be 0. Also you can multiply directly. 0.05 multiply by 7, it is 35. Count the digits after decimal point, 1 0 1 2 1 2. So here will be decimal point. This is your answer. And coming to fifth, seventh part, sixth part, 211.02. So convert it into fractions form. There are two digits after decimal point, so it will become 100 in denominator. So divide by 4. And now multiply 21102 by 4. What will be the 4 2s are 8, 0, 4 1s are 4, and 4 and 4 2s are 8. So answer is 84408 divided by 100. And now convert it into decimal forms. 1 0, there should be 2 1 2, so there should be two digits after the decimal point, 4 4 and 8. This is your sixth part.